Hey guys, so I'm back with another video today. Really quickly, I'm going to teach you guys how to invest into Bitcoin. I'm just going to show you a quick step-by-step right here how to invest into Bitcoin. If you're from Australia, if you're from US, if you're from anywhere around the world, I'm going to show you exchanges that you can use to invest into it. So let's just get started right now. I'm going to show you guys. If you're from Australia, this is an exchange that I would personally recommend. It's probably the top exchange in Australia, and yeah, highly recommend it. Now I'll give you a little bit of explain to you guys for a little bit. So an exchange is simply, I'm going to put it in simple terms, an exchange is simply just a way to buy and sell, to swap your currency. So swap your currency to cryptocurrency. That's an easy way to explain an exchange. It's simply just that, exchange your fiat, your money, your currency in real life to cryptocurrency, to buy Bitcoin or whatever coin you want to buy. And all exchanges are different, to medium to like user friendly. Some exchanges are user friendly and some are simply not. So I just want to show you the user friendly exchanges. For anyone that's starting out in cryptocurrency, if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin, you probably want to look at some friendly exchanges that are easy to use. So Coinspot is one I would go with. Now you want to register. It's easy to sign up. So yeah, just sign up here, and I've already got an account, but I'm just going to log into mine. Just give me a moment. And alright, so once I'm logged in, you'll have the same display as me, except you might have to verify your account. I just want you understand, you will have to verify your account. So once you come on here, you want to click on verification. Now I'm verified already, but they will ask for ID, and then yeah, so you just upload your ID and then let the process take a day or two. It'll probably take only a day. So give it 24 to 48 hours. And then once you're being like verified or whatever, your account, you will be able to deposit up to 20,000 per day and withdraw up to 20,000 per day, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe you can withdraw as many as you want. I'm not sure. I think it's unlimited withdrawals. But so once you've done that, once you have verified your account, you can simply go to the bank details, add your bank details if you like. That's what I will do next. I'm not sure if it will show my bank details, but I'll click it on anyway, and if it does, I will have to edit this out. Alright, so it does show my bank details, but I'll edit that out. But yeah, you simply just have to add your bank details. It's really simple. It's straightforward. Just find your details of your bank and then add it. That you need to have some way to buy cryptocurrency. Now, once you've done that, all you do is go to deposit funds. So you want to hit deposit funds. Now, I'm going to give you some advice here. I recommend to go with Poly, PayID, or I think that's all the ones I mainly recommend. The other three have got fees. Yep, so they all got fees except for Poly and PayID. So I recommend go with PayID. It's really simple to do. Every bank should have like PayID by now, or just go with Poly. It's up to you, but the banks are limited to a certain amount of banks that have the offer. So once you have that set up, you just want to deposit the money. So let's say you deposit $200 or something. Let's say you deposit $1 or something. I don't know. $2, $3. Continue to Poly. So you just want to simply do it. You pick the bank, and yeah, once you do that, it should come up with like a page wanting your ID and stuff like that. Of course, I'm not going to do it here, but as you can see, I have deposited funds into my account, as you can see here, and I did that personally with PayID. So PayID is simply, you just have to go to your actual bank, log into your bank, and put in the details of PayID, of the details of what these guys do. Now, what is this one? BPay. But yeah, like I said, all other ones have got fees. So I recommend just to go with, I would just recommend the PayID and Poly. That's two I recommend for you guys. So once you've deposited the funds, it should appear like up here. You should have a certain amount in Australian dollars. And then you just go to your wallet. I'm just going to go to the wallet, or you can just go buy to sell. You can type in the coin that you like. So you're looking to buy Bitcoin. So you just want to come here. As you can see, you can just buy as much as like into AED. So don't get confused here, it's very simple. So just to let you know, you also don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. So this price, don't get confused that you're thinking you have to buy the whole Bitcoin. You don't. You only have to buy, you can buy as much as you want. Minimum amount is $1. So you have to put $1 in at least. So let's say I have like 0.1 cent or something. So let's just put the 1 cent into Bitcoin. So I'll just like do that, 0.1 cents. It'll come up here telling you how much you get of Bitcoin and how much a full Bitcoin is worth. And the fee is 1% to buy Bitcoin, to buy any coin, 1% fee. So let's say you want to do that. Of course it won't accept me because I don't have enough funds at the moment, but that's simply how you do it. It's really simple. And I hope you understand like how it all works. It tells you how much you get under here as well, how much Bitcoin you will get for how much you put in. So let's say I put that, I get 0.000001406. But don't get confused in that because it will display how much you have in Australian dollars. So as you can see, it approximately tells me how much I've got in Australian dollars. So I don't have to look at like the numbers and all that sort of crap. I don't have to get confused at the numbers and all that sort of stuff. And they do have some support down here. But yeah, hopefully you guys understand. And this is just going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you that. Now, I've also got another exchange that I do recommend. I use this one for about a month and two now. This is a highly popular one at the moment. It's trusted. And yeah, I've had no issues at all. And it allows you to buy directly with debit card and credit card. So if you're looking for that option, I recommend Crypto.com also. So Crypto.com, Coinspot. Coinspot I recommend for Australian people, and Crypto.com for anyone around the world. I recommend it. So if you guys are looking for anything else, you need help at all, ask me a question below. If you guys want to join Crypto.com or Coinspot, I will leave a referral links below also. They will give you like bonuses. I think you get like $10 for Coinspot, and for crypto you'll get $50. But you do have to deposit. You have to buy like a certain coin to get the $50. But then after that, you can just sell it straight away. So it's up to you. I will leave links below. I hope you guys understood how everything works, and I hope I did explain it correctly to you guys. But if I did miss anything, just leave me a question below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.